The number one comment that I get all the time when I'm talking about affiliate marketing is, Alston, you need to have 1 million followers in order to make any money with affiliate marketing. Well, in this video, I'm actually going to show you how to start affiliate marketing with 0 followings. In fact, we're going to use this microphone that's not even plugged in and show you step by step how you can start earning passive income with affiliate marketing. I don't know why I'm still holding it, but let's go ahead and get into it. Hello, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com, and I create content to help you be successful with affiliate marketing. Without further ado, let's go ahead and talk about it. I'm going to show you some examples of what I've done with 0 following, or actually 2 followers, to start generating passive income with affiliate marketing. I'm going to show you step by step how you can do it too, so that you can no longer feel that you need to have 1 million followers. I'm actually going to show you an example of a video that I've done that I haven't uploaded, but just modeling what you could do. So the first thing that I want to show you is I want to show you my YouTube channel. It is called Reviews and Unboxings, and it has 2 subscribers. It only has 2 subscribers. However, this video from a year ago has 1.3 thousand views, and I've actually earned commissions with people purchasing this giant inflatable. I earned commissions with Amazon with this exact product. But you can see here, even with 2 subscribers, these videos, 1.3 thousand views, 75 views, 42 views, 32 views, 6 views, are all views that help contribute to me earning passive income. And what I did in each one of these videos is I went and found the product on Amazon. I obviously purchased the product, and I went and found my affiliate link and I put it in the description of my videos. Now, if that's not enough proof for you, let me show you another channel. My other channel, the securitycameraguy.com, which I don't post on often enough, the security camera guy like this. And let's take a look. The top result here. Few things that I want to show you. This video, 370 views from 4 months ago. I only have 1.3 thousand subscribers, so it's not this huge mega channel. Let's look at the most popular video. 224,000 views from 3 years ago, talking about the Ring video doorbell. And guess what I did? I put the Ring video doorbell, that link, right in the description of the video, and people are buying it, I would say, not every day, but pretty frequently, for me to earn a commission. But you can see here that you can do this with literally anything. The first thing that you want to do is you want to pick a product. If you're looking to just get up and running as fast as possible, pick a product. If you don't know what to pick, if you don't know what to choose, pick a product that you've recently purchased. Go over to Amazon.com like this, take a look at your recent orders, and scroll through and find something that you want to talk about. Click on orders in the top right-hand corner, and we're going to scroll down here until I find that microphone. Now, it can be anything. We could use this tabletop stand, microphone, it doesn't really matter. So step 1, find a product to promote. Step 2 is you're going to go over to YouTube or even TikTok, and you're going to type in the name of that product. For example, this is the Rode Go 2 wireless microphone, okay? And when you type that in, hit the space bar just like this, and you're gonna see that people are asking a bunch of questions. And what we can do is we can copy this exact keyword like this, and we're gonna paste it over on TikTok, and we're gonna see that people, once again, are asking questions about it. Now, what I am going to do, and what I should do soon, is I'm actually going to upload an unboxing video. Right now, I'm going to put a sample of the unboxing video that I've already done to show you how easy it is, and I'm going to upload it. So now that you've seen that unboxing video, or at least a taste of it, we're simply going to create content answering these questions. We're going to create a review video. We're going to create an unboxing, first impressions, setup. These are all really important questions that people are asking, and then you can just put your affiliate link in the description. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to show you Rode Wireless 2, Wireless Go 2, I believe, microphone like this, and I'm going to do wireless mic review like that. And if we hit enter, if we take a look at this, 162,000 views, 589,000 views, 503,000 views. Now, what people are going to say, and I can tell just because I'm looking at these reviews and the number of subscribers, these are all mega subscribers. But what you can do is you can take advantage of new products that come out. For example, the Mac Studio is a brand new product. Mac Studio, it's been around for about 4 months or so. Mac Studio review, and you don't necessarily have to have the product, but you can see that there are tons of people talking about new products. This is where your competitive advantage is going to come in, because this is a product that wasn't around 6, 7, 8 months ago. You create content on new and trending topics. Another example, which I just looked up today, is The Day Shift. The Day Shift is a movie. It's a really bad movie by Jamie Foxx. The Day Shift movie review like this. We hit enter. Now this movie came out about a week ago. Now what you're going to see is you're going to see large channels, but then you can also see teeny tiny channels that are getting traction. Look at this one, only 14,000 subscribers, 4.9 thousand views. If you take advantage of trending topics, things that are brand new to the marketplace, that's going to be your opportunity. Now you can get you can get recommended on YouTube. You can stand out on TikTok because people are now searching these different things. So if we look at the Rode Go, I think it's 2, like I said, wireless microphone, and we hit review afterwards, review like this, hit enter, and you're going to see that 5,000 views, 5,000 views, 2,500 views, 8,000 views, 4,000 views. And so if you are starting out as a complete beginner, normally I would say do email marketing. If your first pieces of content are about this microphone, put an affiliate link in your bio about these microphones. Ultimately, start email marketing. I'm a huge proponent of email marketing so that you grow your business as high and as far as possible. But if you are just starting out, put your affiliate link in there and you can essentially start seeing money. You can start making money. You're going to do reviews. You're going to do unboxing. So if we did unboxing like this, you're going to see that people are just doing unboxing videos and making money. Look at this one, 13,000 views. This one right here, 23,000 views. And so you're just going to create content about a product. You're going to figure out what people are asking about this product, and that's really easy. I'll show you how to do that in a second. But you're just going to ask and answer questions about this product. You can come over to Google and type in Rode Wireless Go 2. We're going to copy this and we're going to paste this right into Google like this. Hit the space bar. You can see people are asking different questions. We're going to hit enter. And then what we're going to do is we're going to scroll down and we're going to also answer these questions. People also ask, is Rode Wireless Go worth it? You can explain the pros and cons and you can make money. How long does the Rode Wireless Go 2 battery last? How do you use a Rode Wireless Go 2? So if you create videos explaining how to use it, you can make money. And the cool thing about this little hack here is that these keep going forever. So let's copy this. How long does a Rode Wireless 2 Go battery last? And we're going to paste this over on YouTube like this, hit enter, and then let's take a look at the results. 49,000 views, 9,000 views. Look at this one. Only 8,000 subscribers showed up in the second place with 9,000 subscribers. Look at the one below it. 1,000 subscribers, 8.9 thousand views. So this is how you do it. 13 subscribers. This is, if you guys are trying to ask yourself, can you do this? The answer is yes. This person has 13 subscribers, 587 views from 2 months ago, talking about the Rode Wireless Go, but they're actually disassembling it. So if you take a different spin on it, you pivot just from a little bit from everyone else, you can start seeing a return on your investment, which is ultimately money. What we're going to do too is we're also going to go over to answerthepublic.com. Now this is a free keyword research tool. A lot of people will complain about Ahrefs and it costing money. So we're just going to paste this in. Whoops. We're going to paste in Rode Wireless Go 2 like this and hit enter, and let's see what pops up there. But we can come back over here while that's working and we can say, how do you use the Rode Wireless Go 2? Let's copy this like that. And we are going to go back over to YouTube, hit enter, and let's take a look. Top result, 287,000 views. Look at this one, 3,000 subscribers, 38,000 views. Let's go over to TikTok and paste in the same thing here. How do you use the Rode Wireless Go 2? 5,000, 44,000, 3,000, 8,000, 9,000, tons of views, 530,000 views, all talking about this new product that just came out. If we jump over to answerthepublic.com, it is a free keyword research tool. We click on data, how to pair Rode Wireless Go 2, how to charge, how to reset, how to connect. These people are all asking questions. Rode Wireless Go 2 price, they want to buy it, they want to make sure it fits their budget. But you can see here that this is very simple. This is a relatively expensive product. We go over to Amazon, $179, which isn't too expensive, but you can see a lot of people are buying it. And more importantly, a lot of people are wearing this product and they're using it, okay? And so this is how I would do it step by step. I would find a product that I've recently purchased. I am going to do an unboxing video. Again, I showed you that unboxing video a little bit earlier. Then I am going to use keyword research tools like Google, where I paste in the name of the product. I scroll down, And I answer these questions as well, either in TikTok or in as a YouTube video. And then even if you scroll down here even further, people are also asking these questions that I would ask as well. And then as a last resort, I'd also come back over here to Ahrefs and I would answer these questions. Another thing that I would do is actually come down here and I would do versus videos. So if we look, the cool thing is with this is people are asking how to use the Rode Wireless Go 2 with a GoPro. That's a great video to create. I'd also create versus videos. So if we scroll down, look at this one, Rode Wireless Go 2 versus Filmmaker Kit. We create a comparison, pros and cons, and we can actually put affiliate links to both of those products in our description. But if you're just starting on TikTok, you can only put one link. I would just put my Rode Wireless Go 2 because that's going to be the most of my content. And then as you get more popular, you can zoom up and you can talk about other things outside of just the Rode Wireless Go 2. You can also spend that time building out a website and building out a landing page for email marketing, and you can start making money relatively quickly. And that's what I would do step by step. So you don't need 1 million followers, as I've shown you with multiple channels and opportunities, 3,000 subscribers, 38,000 views. And with TikTok, you need even fewer views and subscribers. I showed you with my personal channels. It can be done. You are telling yourself that it's not possible so that you are giving yourself an out to not do the work. You do the work, you get the result. But most people are going to watch this video and they're not going to do anything. Most people are going to watch the video and they're going to, for whatever reason, convince themselves that it doesn't work. But in this video, I've showed you that it worked in multiple ways. Now that you know how to start affiliate marketing without any subscribers, click the first link in the description for a free training that shows you how to earn a full-time income without a large following on social media, without using paid ads, or even a large mailing list. Click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start. Watch these videos next for more tips and tricks to make money online. Also, check out my website, alstongodbolt.com, for even more tips, tricks, and tactics to make money online. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with 5 of your friends.